Hello guys, welcome to Deep Course, and in today's video we will discuss LeetCode question 1523 that says count odd numbers in an interval range. So here you are given a range from low to high, means you are given two ends of a range, that is the lower end as well as the higher end, and between this range you need to find how many odd numbers are there, okay, including this low and high value. So yeah, as you can see here that between this 3 and 7 you have 3 odd numbers, 3, 5 and 7. Between 8 and 10 you have only one odd number, 9. So basically you can solve this question by running a for loop from this low up till this high and checking if a number is odd or not and increasing the count, right? So yeah, that's a big of n solution, but today in this video we will talk about big of 1 solution. And to talk about that, let's create few of the test cases, and based on the test cases we will come up to an answer. So yeah guys, let's take an example like 3 and 9. So this is low and this is high. So here what you can see that both are odd numbers, okay, and the number of odd numbers between 3 and 9 means between 3 and 9 are how many are there? There are 7 and 5, 7, okay, only 2 odd numbers. So here if both the low is odd and the high is odd, then what we will do? We will do simply 2, means counting for them both, 1 for 3, 1 for 9. So 2 plus 9 minus 3, that is high minus low by 2 minus 1. So this would be our formula, that is a high minus low by 2 minus 1, okay. So this would be our formula. So 9 minus 3 is what? 6. 6 by 2 is what? 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So there are 2 odd numbers, 5 and 7, between the range 3 and 9. And yeah, so here total answer is 4, okay. So that are 3, 5, 7, 9. So yeah, I hope you guys got this, that how we derived this solution by taking 2, 1 from here, 1 from here, and doing high minus low by 2 minus 1, okay. This would be the formula. Now let's say you have low and high, something like this. So low is 3 and high is, let's say, 10. So in that case what you can see here, that low is an odd number but high is not an odd number. So here in this case what we will take, see, only 1. So instead of 2, here we will take 1 plus high minus low, that 10 minus 3 by 2. See, if you are thinking the by 2, because half of the numbers would be even and other half would be odd. So yeah, that's the reason we are taking high minus low by 2. So here 10 minus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2. How much is that? 7 by 2 is 3, right? So yeah, our total answer is 4 here. That is all these three numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9. 7 by 3, 7 by 2 is 3. So yeah, our answer is 4. Now let's say if you have something like this, if you have low is 4 and high is, let's say, 10. Now do we have something in this inclusive, in this the low and high that is odd? No. So what we will do, we will simply do 0 plus 10 minus 4 by 2. Simple. We will do this. 10 minus 4, how much is 6? 6 by 2 is 3. So yeah, our answer is 3 here. That are the numbers 5, 7 and 9. So yeah, I hope you guys got this, that based on checking the condition, that if the low and high, if both are odd, or if one is odd, or if none is odd, we will derive this type of formula. Simple as it is. So if you have tried generating different test cases, so you would have end up coming with this type of formula to generate for all the possible combinations, okay. Got it? So yeah, based on this combination we will try to code for the solution. So what's our first condition was? So our first condition was if low modulus 2 equals to 1 and high modulus 2 also equals to 1. So in that case both are odd numbers. So what we were doing, we were returning 2 plus high plus low by 2 minus 1, okay. And in the, sorry, not high plus low, it is high minus low by 2 minus 1. In the else if condition, we would check if low modulus 2 equals to 1 or high modulus 2 equals to 1. That means any one of the number is odd. So in that case what we will do, we will simply return 1 plus high minus low by 2. 1 for taking one of the numbers inclusive. And in the else condition, yeah, we were simply returning high minus low by 2, okay. So yeah, if both the numbers are even, then we will simply return this. Now let me try to run the code. Yeah, let me try to submit this. So guys, as you can see that our code got accepted. Now talking about the time and space complexity. So here the time complexity is big of 1 because we are not running any loop. We are simply checking with the if else condition. So yeah, our time complexity is big of 1, and talking about the space complexity, it is also big of 1. So yeah, I hope you guys understood the code as well as how we generated different test cases and how this formula is derived. So yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.